this is after the replacement. Took the snaps off and replaced them with magnets. So this is a little better lighting now. You can probably see it. You can see where the hole was, where the snap was mounted in there. And then on the brake handle also, you can see where the snap used to be. It works fine. Also, I removed the tube. I took a razor blade and made a small incision. Took a pair of needle nose and removed the tube from inside the brake handle. So something else I did, but it actually works pretty well. I mean, you can see it slaps together just like it should. I'll leave an item list in the description